Ο Milo Z στον ActivePavlaRadio.gr. Ο Milo Z επιστρέφει στην Ελλάδα και μιλάει αποκλειστικά στον Ηλία Ταφ μέσα από τον ActivePavlaRadio.gr στις 20 Μαρτίου, 10 με 12 το βράδυ. Μέτρ του funk όχι μόνο στη Νέα Υόρκη αλλά και στην Αθήνα, αφού ο Milo Z και το εκρηκτικό group του έχει δημιουργήσει στην Ελλάδα φανατικό κοινό. Ο Milo Z μιλάει αποκλειστικά στον Ηλία Ταφ μέσα από τον ActivePavlaRadio.gr. 20 Μαρτίου, 10 η ώρα το βράδυ. Συντονιστείτε.
Active Radio.
Λοιπόν, ήρθε μεγάλη ώρα, ξεκινάει σε πολύ λίγο η μεγάλη συνέντευξη. Milo Z και η παρέα του. Από μένα τον Βασίλη Μπιλιβαλόπιτα. Καλή συνέχεια. Ηλία Ταφ, τα μικρόφωνα σε σένα.
serious. It got the mighty serious. I know a girl got a big behind. When she's in the mood, she can blow your mind. Don't need to talk, oh no, the women don't say a lie. But the way she walk, you can see the what she got. She's so serious. Serious. Right here, baby. There's time for working. There's a time to play switch. But when she coming around you, you forget the day. 'Cause her dress is tight, but her game is cool. So don't you play dumb, then she won't do with you. She's so serious. Serious. Come on, come on, come on, come on with you, come on. Serious. Serious. She need a real thing when she laying it down. Want no schoolboy, don't want no clown. Needs a real man, somebody do it right. Need someone like me, but through the night. Serious kind. I got to have a nap. I can't wait much longer. Go with every beat of my heart, and it gets stronger and stronger. Serious, yeah. Serious. Come on, come on, come on, come on with you, come on. Serious, sexy motherfucker. Serious, she funky too. Come on. Serious, got a lot. Ooh, that girl, she's hot. Serious, got a lot. Ooh, that girl, she's hot. Serious, got a lot. Ooh, that girl, she's hot, baby. Serious, got a lot. Ooh, that girl, she's a bad mama down. Serious, she got a lot. She's hot. She's got a lot. The bad mama down. Serious, got a lot.
Καλησπέρα σε όλους και σε όλες λοιπόν που μαζευόμαστε και πάλι εδώ στην παρεούλα μας απόψε, Τετάρτη 20 Μαρτίου, 11 η ώρα το βράδυ, παρέα με τον ένα και μοναδικό Μάιλο Ζ από τη Νέα Υόρκη. Επίσης έχει έρθει εδώ στο στούντιο και ο πολύ καλός μας φίλος Εμίλιο Τοστάδο, ένας από τους παίκτες της μπάντας, ο οποίος παίζει κιθάρα, και δύο καλοί φίλοι του Μάιλο, ο Θωμάς και η Ειρήνη, οι οποίοι ακολούθησαν αυτή την όμορφη διαδρομή εδώ στο στούντιο. Μάιλο, γεια σου Μάιλο.
Γεια σου, Ilias. What's happening, my man?
Oh, I know you speak Greek. Eh? I remember very well. You speak very well Greek. Eh? It's nice to be here again with you. It's really nice. I am very, very happy. All the Greek fans and all the active radio members are really happy to have you here in our studio.
Man, it's great to be back. It's great to be back. What can I say? We got off the plane and came straight here to Radioactive Radio.
Okay. I think that you really like to be in Athens, no? Eh?
It's a home. It's my home. It's my home now.
It's your second home, I think.
It's my second home. Yeah. Whenever I get sick, tired of New York or whatever, I gotta come over here because, you know, it's so busy and there's so much traffic in New York and so many taxis and it's too many people and this and that. So I need a break and I need to get away. So that's why I come to Athens because it's nice and quiet.
I see. So, how many years here in Athens?
I think the first time I came was 1999. So, I don't know, going on.
Almost 13 years,
yeah.
Huh? Almost 13 years in Athens. Okay, it's really nice. It's really nice to have you here again. And you are gonna play not only in Athens.
No, we're gonna do a couple shows in Athens. And first we're gonna go to Thessaloniki tomorrow.
Okay.
Play in a place called Gay Alive.
Okay.
And then we're going to Volos, where I've never... Vox. I've never been to Volos, but I hear it's nice. So I'm looking forward to seeing. Yeah.
Okay. So let's pretend that we don't know Milo Z, and after this I'm gonna translate a little bit. Okay, so to help the audience to understand. Okay.
That sounds good.
Let's pretend that we don't know Milo Z. What is Milo Z band? What is Milo Z music?
Oh, Milo Z music is Razamo Funk.
Razamo Funk.
Razamo Funk.
Okay. What does it mean, Razamo Funk, Milo Z?
Razamo Funk music is rhythm and blues, jazz, rock, rap, and Mo Funk.
More funk.
Mo Funk.
I think that finally is real music for real people, right?
It's real music for real people. Absolutely. That's the truest thing anybody's ever said.
Okay. So, let me have a little more of a little bit of a translation in order to help the audience to understand. Okay. Ο Μάιλο μας είπε εν ολίγη σε όλα αυτά που μας περιέγραψε ότι καταρχάς είναι πολύ χαρούμενος που είναι εδώ στην Αθήνα. Είναι πάνω από 12-13 χρόνια που έρχεται εδώ πέρα. Είναι πολύ ευτυχισμένος. Η Αθήνα πάντα είναι το δεύτερο σπίτι του. Είναι χαρούμενος που είναι εδώ στον Active Radio και στην παρέα μας. Το πρόγραμμά του δεν περιλαμβάνει μόνο Αθήνα, αλλά αύριο Θεσσαλονίκη, την Παρασκευή Βόλο στο Vox και Σάββατο και Κυριακή στο Γκαζάρτε, και σίγουρα υπόσχεται ένα πολύ δυνατό funky party. So Milo, let's play one more song of your LPs, and we are coming back in a few minutes. Okay,
that sounds good.
To have a small taste of your music. Okay, let's play it.
Was a buck wild, crazy child, running all through the streets, dirty from my head down to my feet, making up tall tales with a devilish smile. Well, my mama could get real mean, so my pops are split the same. You see, to catch us in a little while, where the cops came to my home, say you can't leave that kid alone. Give him an inch and he'll take him out, he'll take him out. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is know how boys like to play. But school was such a drag, and you know how moms can nag. It was high time, made a move. So I got this like messenger job, and you know that mess was hard. Even through traffic like a crazy fool. You crazy fool. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Wow. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Wow. Had to happen eventually, sooner or later. Always on the move, so tired of paying dues. Just what was my destiny. Then I found myself to spend, and you know that bank of jam, grooving in a funky way. Now moving, rock the crowd. Sometimes it gets so loud. Ought to hear when somebody say, somebody say. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Wow. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Wow. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. Wow. Look at that crazy girl. Damn, that boy is crazy. Damn, that boy is crazy. I think we're
Milo, this was Crazy Boy from the last album, Throwback.
Yes.
Okay.
Crazy Boy, and Crazy Boy, that's about me.
Are you really a crazy boy?
Man, I was a crazy, crazy kid. Yes, for sure. In that song, I don't know if you heard, but it talks about I was a bicycle messenger, you know?
Yes.
And I used to be a bicycle messenger in New York City.
Your first steps. Okay.
Delivering packages on my back, riding around through traffic.
Okay. And if I'm not wrong, I think that you started as a drummer.
I started as a drummer, correct.
Okay.
When I was 12, 13 years old, I was, like I said, I was a crazy boy, Trelos. And I had quick fingers, sticky fingers, you know? And so I would find some things sometimes, you know, bring them home. And one time I found some drums off of the back of a truck.
Okay.
I brought them home. I told my mother I found it, and that's how it all started. And it got me on the right path, doing the right things instead of the wrong things.
I see. And at the moment, you have your own band, Milo Z Band, and if I am not wrong, you write and compose almost the 90-95% of your songs.
Yep, it's all original. We do some cover songs, but it's all Razama Funk original music.
Okay. Give me one moment to translate. Ο Μάιλο μας είπε λοιπόν ότι καταρχάς μας περιέγραψε λίγο ότι στα νιάτα του ήταν ένα τρελό έτσι εφηβικό αγόρι. Έκανε πολλές τρέλες, μοίραζε γράμματα, ξεκίνησε σαν drummer την μουσική του σταδιοδρομία και μέσα από αυτό κατέληξε σε ένα μουσικό μονοπάτι, δημιουργώντας το υπέροχο group Milo Z Band. Πλέον γράφει και δημιουργεί περίπου το 90-95% των κομματιών του ο ίδιος με την εξαιρετική του μπάντα. Let me ask you something, Milo. In the last album you have two covers from Bill Withers, huh?
I love Bill Withers. I just think he's a great songwriter, singer, and his voice is is just amazing to me.
Yes, I really like Bill Withers.
Yeah. He's just honest.
Yes,
You know, he's
yes,
just
I see.
honest.
Okay.
To me, that's like the best compliment you can give any musician.
It's a very clear sound, eh?
It's just pure.
Yes.
Even as a singer, his tone is amazing. But a lot of singers today, and I'm talking about R&B singers, I guess, they go all over the place, you know, scales and this and that. He didn't need to do that, man. Just sing the song honestly, and it comes across. You
Yes,
know?
I see. Okay. Ο Μάιλο μας είπε ότι έχει κάνει 2 διασκευές στο τελευταίο του άλμπουμ, το Throwback, από τον Bill Withers, ο οποίος ήταν ένας εξαιρετικός καλλιτέχνης και τον οποίο τον λατρεύει, διότι έχει πολύ καθαρό και διαυγή ήχο. Και μέσα από αυτές τις δουλειές μπορούμε να ακούσουμε και το κομμάτι που ακούτε τώρα, το Use Me. So Milo, let's play a little bit of Bill Withers, this song that we play at the moment, Use Me, and after this we can play a brand new song.
Yeah,
it's a new song. It's the first time we played here in Greece, and we are very happy for this. I really have to thank you for this.
You got it.
I really appreciate it.
First time played anywhere.
Anywhere. Oh, Active Radio is unique. Okay, thank you very much. So let's play a little bit of Bill Withers, and after this, the brand new song.
It's a killer.
It's a killer. It's a killer. Okay, okay.
To use me. Sexy mama, come on. I'm just talking about using me. All depends on what you do. Ain't too bad the way you're using me. I sure am using you to do them things you do. Oh, baby, them nasty things you do, baby. Better like it.
Παγκόσμια μετάδοση μόνο στον ActivePavlaRadio.gr.
You just a new jack pimp, fresh on the scene. But soon enough you will be running things. You got a stable of some of the baddest guys. Might flex some muscle, make sure they keep in line. Your stock's been growing, yeah, you've been moving up. Here comes baby brother, he wants to try his luck. You try to school him, say this game's too tough. But it doesn't listen and someone calls his bluff. It's a killer. When you find out what you thought was clever. Now you stand around, you tumble down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you. But then it goes further. Cause when it finally hits you, it's like murder. You can't believe you got to see you holler. But no one seems to care and give a bother. So why bother? It's a killer. Another gangster rapper just got his record deal. He spits it hard cause he's a thug for real. The record company just upped the cash advance. Time for popping corks and watching strippers dance. Time's finally come, now it's your big debut. addiction is just going through the roof. Your manager assures you all is well, but they don't promote it, so the shit don't sell. It's a killer. When you find a word you thought was real filler, now you gather around, you're jumping down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you. But it goes further. It's where to find a hit you with some murder. You can't believe you got to see you holler, but no one seems to care to give a bother. So why bother? It's a wrong again. No one told you. Lose it 10. Joke was on you. All that time when you thought you winning, you were so blind. Now your world is spinning.
Exclusive track only on active-radio.gr.
Just party on the weekends, that's the rule you say. But soon enough, it's every other day. You kid yourself that you still in control, but it's obvious the writing's on the wall. It's a killer. When you find a word you thought was real was filler, now you stand around, you're jumping down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you. But it goes further. It's where to find a hit you with some murder. You can't believe you got to see you holler, but no one seems to care to give a bother. So why bother? It's a killer. When you find a word you thought was real was filler, now you stand around, you're jumping down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you. But it goes further. It's where to find a hit you with some murder. Murder.
Active, the radio that moves around.
Active Radio.
So special song, Milo, eh?
Yeah, man, you like it? You dig it?
Oh, I really like it. I really like it, and I am really happy to be the first one to play it here in Greece. It's really nice, a great honor for us. Okay.
That's awesome.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate, and you are really, a really friend. Okay. Oh, some thoughts and some words about the song.
This song, well, you know, it's a killer, you know, like, you never know what's going to happen, man. Your best laid plans of mice and men. If you ever heard that expression, you know, you can plan all this stuff, but it doesn't necessarily go your way, you know. Life can just throw that twist, and when it does, it's a killer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you have done in the past 5 albums. Would you like to tell us a few things about your albums, about your past?
The first record I did was called Basic Need to Howl, and that was a studio record on Mercury, and it was cool. Had some good songs on it. The next one was one called Live and Bumpin', which was a recorded live in New York.
Okay.
And that was a good experience. I don't know what to say about that one. Body is on there.
Yeah.
And I know the Greek people like that song Body, so that's on there.
And you know the Greek one also, eh?
Soma.
Okay.
Right.
You are going to.
And then was Sweet and Nasty.
Sweet and Nasty.
I got that, which I got for you.
Okay, I remember.
Sweet and Nasty, and Sweetness is on Sweet and Nasty, and I know people in Athens love the song Sweetness.
We really love this song.
Yes, I can't get off the stage without playing that one. And then I did Up on the Hill in Athens, Greece.
Up on the Hill, I remember this.
Lycabettus.
This unforgettable live in 2006 in Lycabettus. Over 4,000 people.
Man, it was
amazing.
It was awesome. It was awesome. And we recorded that night, and we shot a video that night. So it's a CD and a DVD. And then, of course, the last one is Throwback. with what you're hearing right now and what you heard earlier, Funky People, Crazy Boy, and now you are the first to hear It's a Killer, and right now I'm not in the studio currently, but I've got a bunch of new songs, and I have to get back into the studio, start working on the next one.
Do you prepare a new album or something like that?
Yeah, I mean I have all the songs. I just I have to get my lazy butt into the studio and get to work.
I see.
Yes.
Finally, I believe that the last album, Throwback, I think, tell me if I am wrong, I think that is the most personal album of your career.
Yes, I mean, I like it. I think it's a very consistent album. It's personal because one of the songs, "Playing Hooky," is it's about me. Crazy Boy is about me.
Yes,
so there's songs that I definitely pull from, and I call it Throwback because it's about me when I was a kid, kind of growing up and being a wild child. So in that sense, I guess it's the most personal.
Okay. Let me translate. Short translation. Εν συντομία, ο Μάιλο μας είπε ότι έχει δημιουργήσει στο παρελθόν 5 albums και ότι όλες οι στιγμές του ήταν ξεχωριστές, όμως σίγουρα το τελευταίο LP, από το οποίο ακούμε διάφορα κομμάτια, είναι πολύ ξεχωριστό, πολύ προσωπικό, αγγίζει περισσότερο τον ίδιο και τα ακούσματά του. Μας διηγήθηκε επίσης για το υπέροχο live show στο Λικαβητό το 2006, το οποίο είχε περίπου 4.000 κόσμο και το οποίο είναι μια ξέχαστη εμπειρία από αυτόν. So finally, Milo, I remember that you also can speak Greek, and I remember a very good phrase of you, Ella Moromu.
Ella Moromu. Yes.
Έχεις το αίσθημα. I remember very well.
Yes.
Okay, so this Greek lyrics is from Come On Baby, the song Come On Baby, from the last album Throwback.
Oh, and you know what? Yes, the last album Throwback. And actually, I don't know if I have it or gave it to you, but I actually have I have a recording of that same song with the Greek lyrics.
Yes. Oh, sure.
I do.
We have to play it. Next time you will give it to me to play it.
I will get it to you, and it has the chorus in Greek.
For sure. Okay. So at the moment, let's play it. Normally. Okay. Come On Baby from your last album, Throwback.
Sounds good.
Okay.
So listen pretty baby, cause I'm back again. you's about to get wild, child. Shake it like it's good to go. Cause in a minute or two, we gonna hit the dough. And I can't wait to get you home alone so we can sip Patron and get the freaking on. We're gonna have a party. What you wanna do? Do the boogaloo. Ready to rock your body. And we're coming through. Keep coming through. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. I got the feeling. Got the feeling. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. You got the feeling. Got the feeling. Do you wanna do it? Do you wanna do it? Do you wanna do it? In the morning. In the morning. Do you wanna do it? Do you wanna do it? Do you wanna do it? In the evening. In the evening. Shake it to the left. Shake it to the left now, baby. Shake it to the right. Shake it to the right. Shake it for yourself. Shake it for yourself now, baby. Shake it all night. Shake it all night. Shake it to the left. Shake it to the left now, baby. Shake it to the right. Shake it to the right. Shake it for yourself. Shake it for yourself now, baby. Shake it all night. Shake it all night. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. I got the feeling. Got the feeling. Come on, come on, come on, ready to one more baby. Time to play a little blues for you.
A really groovy night. A really groovy song.
Yeah, man.
Okay, come on, baby. We really like this kind of your songs, and we really believe that we're gonna have a very good time as always here in Athens in Gazarte.
Oh man, I'm looking forward to it. This is the first time I've ever played this club, Gazarte, and I hear it's a beautiful venue. I'm excited about it. I have a great anticipation about these shows, and I have somebody to really thank for helping make this happen. My man Thomas, who's in the studio here,
Yes,
with us, and he demanded, manifested, talked to the Greek gods to say, Milo, you got to come over here this year because I'm maybe wasn't going to come this year, but he said, no, this is not possible. This is impossible. This cannot happen. You have to come.
I remember I was talking to you 2 months ago, and you were talking that you were saying that probably you could not be here.
Yeah, there was a lot of stuff, going on, life, different things. So it didn't look like it was going to happen maybe this year. So, but basically Thomas threw an email, put a gun to my head, and said, if you don't come here, I will shoot your dog.
Oh,
yeah, I will shoot your dog when I come to New York.
So at the moment we really love Thomas.
Yeah, and so does my dog. So Thomas is the man responsible for bringing me here.
Okay, give me one moment to translate this because I think it's really important. Αυτό που μας είπε ο Μάιλο είναι ότι είναι και πάλι στην Αθήνα, παρόλο που υπήρχαν αρκετές δυσκολίες και ενδεχομένως από ό,τι φαινόταν να μην μπορούσε να έρθει να παίξει στην Ελλάδα φέτος, όμως ένας πολύ καλός φίλος, ο οποίος συνεχώς τον ακολουθεί, ο Θωμάς, ο οποίος είναι εδώ στο στούντιο μαζί μας απόψε, έκανε ό,τι περνούσε από το χέρι του για να τον πείσει να έρθει και πάλι στην Ελλάδα και είναι ουσιαστικά ο μοναδικός και αποκλειστικός υπεύθυνος, όπου αυτή τη στιγμή ο Μάιλο Ζετ βρίσκεται εδώ. Και Θωμάς, ευχαριστούμε πολύ που κατάφερες και πάλι να φέρεις τον Μάιλο στην παρέα μας. We're really glad to have you here again. Let's go tripping in the past. You have shared bills in the past with Neville Brothers, with Spin Doctors, White Average Band.
Actually, just this past summer, I did a show with the Spin Doctors again. The Neville Brothers, they were cool. They were definitely some down to earth cats. Just good people, man. Good people. I remember I did a show with them, and the sound wasn't quite right, and it was in Central Park, and their sound man came over and fixed our sound. He like basically pushed my sound guy out of the way and said, "Man, this doesn't sound right," and he fixed it and made it sound better. They were just great experiences. Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. Ο Μάιλο μας είπε εν ολίγης ότι στο παρελθόν έχει παίξει με σπουδαία ονόματα που αποτελούν για αυτόν πηγή έμπνευσης. Neville Brothers, Massive Attack, White Average Band, Spin Doctors και πολλά άλλα ονόματα από την μαύρη και όχι μόνο μουσική. Και αυτό δείχνει και το τεράστιο μέγεθός του και το πόσο μεγάλο ειδικό βάρος έχει στη μουσική σκηνή της Νέας Υόρκης σε funk και soul ακούσματα.
Hey, Elias, man. You know, I got my brother Thomas right here in the studio, man. And he's looking at me like he's gonna shoot me anyway, man.
Do you think so?
I think so. So, man, I think he got to come over and talk on the mic for a minute to explain that he really wasn't going to shoot my dog.
Oh, yes. I would like to have a Thomas opinion. So, αυτή τη στιγμή έχουμε στο μικρόφωνο να μας μιλήσει για λίγο ο πολύ καλός φίλος Θωμάς του Μάιλο, να μας εξηγήσει τελικά τι έκανε και κατάφερε να πείσει τον Μάιλο Z να είναι εδώ στην Αθήνα. Θωμά, καλησπέρα.
Καλησπέρα και από μένα.
Σε καλησπερίζω και να πούμε εδώ έτσι και λίγο στους φίλους που μας ακούν απόψε ότι εδώ πέρα εγώ πραγματικά έτσι, δεν ξέρω, περνάω υπέροχα. Έχουμε φτιάξει μια μοναδική ατμόσφαιρα και παρέα. Μέσα στο στούντιο αυτή τη στιγμή είναι ο Μάιλο Ζ, είναι ο Εμίλιο Τοστάδο, ο Μεξικάνος κιθαρίστας, είναι ο Θωμάς και η Ειρήνη, πολύ καλοί φίλοι του Μάιλο, και είναι και ο Δημήτρης Μιδέλτα, ο οποίος μας βοηθάει και συντονίζει τους ήχους, και βέβαια όλο το team το οποίο είναι απ' έξω από το στούντιο και βέβαια περίμενε με πολύ μεγάλη αγωνία. You know, Milo, all the active radio producers and members were really waiting for your coming here in Greece and are really excited.
Yeah.
It's something that I describe at the moment. Θωμά, για πες μας λίγο. Let's
talk to Thomas.
Let's talk to Thomas.
Yeah, so Thomas can explain a little bit what happened, and you know he's Greek, so he can talk in Greek. Just somebody better tell me what he said afterwards. God, I don't want him talking behind my back because my Greek. I'm still working on my Greek.
Okay, so I would like to have a Thomas opinion. Thomas, ακούμε.
Ευχαριστώ για την πρόσκληση από τον Μάιλο και από τον Active, το σταθμό σας, τον Ιντερνετικό. Συγχαρητήρια για τη δουλειά και για το στήσιμο που έχετε εδώ πέρα.
Το προσπαθούμε όσο μπορούμε.
Να είστε καλά, να είστε καλά. Αυτό που είπε ο Μάιλο βασικά είναι η στιγμή του Μάιλο τώρα, αλλά εγώ απλώς να πω σαν καλός φίλος και ως ένας άλλος αδερφός, με ρίμνησε ώστε να μείνει πιστός στο ραντεβού του προς το ελληνικό κοινό.
Ναι.
Τίποτα παραπάνω.
Η αλήθεια είναι ότι η Θωμά 2 μήνες, 2,5 πριν μιλούσα με τον Μάιλο και τον ρωτούσα αν και φέτος θα είναι στην Ελλάδα. Μου είπε ότι είχε κάποια προβλήματα και ότι δεν ήταν και τόσο εύκολο. Και δεν σου κρύβω ότι λίγο είχαμε στεναχωρηθεί με το γεγονός ότι ίσως φέτος μετά από 12 συνεχόμενα χρόνια δεν θα τον βλέπαμε. Γιατί για μας που ακούμε αυτή τη μουσική, ο Μάιλο είναι πάντα ξεχωριστό γεγονός. You know, Milo, your connection with the audience here in Greek is something so special, so unique. I don't know how you can make it, but it really happens. Okay.
Yeah, man, it's just something organic. It's beautiful. It's a love affair. It's a love affair, and that doesn't seem to have any bad sides. You know, like maybe it's because we don't see each other that much.
Yes.
So we don't get tired of each other.
Yes,
you know,
I see.
just once a year or something like
once
that.
a year,
Yeah.
I think it's really nice.
Then we miss each other.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
There used to be a song called "How Can I Miss You, Baby?
How can I miss you, baby?
If you never go away."
You're right. Okay, Θωμά, κάτι άλλο που θα ήθελες να περιγράψεις, να πεις έτσι για την σχέση που έχεις αναπτύξει με τον Μάιλο τα τελευταία χρόνια?
Αδερφός, my brother from another mother. That's the way we describe it.
Okay.
Το μόνο που έχω να κάνω είναι να καλέσω τον κόσμο και αύριο και μεθαύριο στη Θεσσαλονίκη, αύριο μεθαύριο στο Βόλο και το Σαββατοκύριακο στον Καζάρτε για την πιο funky βραδιά που έχουν βιώσει ποτέ.
Είναι αλήθεια, νομίζω ότι ζούμε την πιο funky εβδομάδα, θα έλεγα, του χειμώνα. Είμαστε πάρα πολύ χαρούμενοι που είναι και πάλι ο Μάιλο εδώ. Να θυμίσουμε μόνο για όσους δεν μας ακούσαν ότι αύριο στη Θεσσαλονίκη ο Μάιλο παίζει στο Club Yeah και την Παρασκευή στον Βόλο στο Vox, Σάββατο και Κυριακή στο Γκαζάρτε. Και όσοι δεν έχουν δει, ειδικά όσοι δεν έχουν δει το Μάιλο Ζ, δεν πρέπει να χάσουν την ευκαιρία. Δηλαδή πραγματικά αυτό που συμβαίνει πάντα με την μπάντα του Μάιλο είναι μοναδικό. Δηλαδή δεν έχω λόγια να το περιγράψω. Εγώ τον βλέπω τουλάχιστον I see you at least the last 10 years and every time is really something special, okay?
And every time I try to bring it, man, because I just know the Greek people, they're waiting for something. I know times are hard now too, so you know, I just want to make people forget their problems, and I got to give it all. So at the end of the night, there's nothing left on stage but a pool of sweat.
Yes,
and that's all of me. There's nothing left.
Yes.
Then I need a big Greek meal afterwards to get me back for the next night.
Okay.
But hey, listen, my brother, you know who I also got? Somebody else in the studio. I got my guitar player with me.
For sure, Emilio Tostado.
And he's going to sit down.
The Spanish guitarist.
Yeah, Emilio and Tom is going to sit down for a second. So come on over here.
Come on, Emilio.
Hold this button.
Okay. Μας δίνετε ένα λεπτό, γιατί αυτή τη στιγμή έχουμε στο μικρόφωνο και τον υπέροχο και μοναδικό και ξεπέραστο κιθαρίστα του Μάιλο Ζ, τον Εμίλιο Τοστάδο, καταγωγή μισός από Αμερική, μισός από Μέξικο, να μας μιλήσει λιγάκι. So, Emilio.
Yes.
Hello, and I am really very glad to see you again here in Greece.
I am ecstatic to be seeing you again.
Okay,
to be honest.
And the last 2 years we were really good friends.
I know, yeah.
You also speak Spanish, okay?
Yes,
so
yes, I do.
We can speak Spanish after this performance.
That sounds great. Okay. I'm all for it.
Okay. I'm very glad to have you here, and I would like to give us some words about your experience playing with Milo Z Band.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, let's see. I think I first started playing with Milo October of 2010. So it's been fairly recent. I know, I know Milo's been coming here to Greece for several years before.
Okay,
but truthfully, it was like one of the more fun experiences I've ever had with music, playing with him the very first time.
Yes.
Just because, as so many people know, his show is so it's so subject to change. And there's so much energy, and if you think you're having a fun time and you're in the audience, the band itself is having a really good time, but we're also always on our toes.
Okay.
Milo's really good about keeping us on our toes.
Yes.
Nothing is ever the same. No two shows are the same, which is great. I mean, that's the best.
Yes.
And I mean, as a musician and as a music lover, that's something I love too. No two shows are the same anytime you go see Milo. So that's great. I mean, that's been one of the things that I've loved about playing with Milo here for the last 2.5, going on 3 years now. And yeah, looking forward to playing, more here in Greece, and definitely this Saturday and Sunday at Gazarte, excuse me.
Okay, Gazarte.
Yeah.
Okay, give me 1 minute to translate a little bit. Μαζί μας είναι ο Εμίλιο Τοστάδο, ο μοναδικός κιθαρίστας του Μάιλο από το Μεξικό, ο οποίος ακολουθεί όλα αυτά τα show του Μάιλο τα τελευταία περίπου 3 χρόνια και δηλώνει ενθουσιασμένος, γιατί είναι για αυτόν μια μοναδική εμπειρία. Κάθε βραδιά, όπως περιγράφει, είναι πολύ διαφορετική από την προηγούμενη, και αυτό είναι κάτι το οποίο σπάνια το συναντά κανείς σε live performance. Είναι πάρα πολύ χαρούμενος που είναι εδώ μαζί μας και πάλι στην Ελλάδα. Είναι η 3η χρονιά που έρχεται εδώ πέρα. Τον Εμίλιο τον γνωρίζω τα τελευταία 3 χρόνια και δεν βλέπει την ώρα, λέει, να εμφανιστεί και πάλι στο Καζάρτε, στο αθηναϊκό κοινό, και να δώσει το δικό του show. Okay, Milo, I would like some words, a few words about this song, okay, that we can hear from live in Lycabettus upon the hill. Is the song with Mo Holmes. Okay, a few words about Mo Holmes.
Yes, Mo Holmes, basically the man who's singing now on this blues song with me, was a very dear friend of mine, almost like a mentor. I met him when I was 17 years old. He was a grown man, a blues man, and he taught me so much as far as soul music, funk and soul, and he was just a family, a brother by another mother, but he was more like an uncle to me. So we became very good friends, and he tutored me in a lot of ways in music, and then I had the fortune to be able to bring him over to Greece with me when we did that show at Lycabettus Theater, and he killed it. The crowd loved him, and at this point he was in a wheelchair. Actually, he wasn't always in a wheelchair, but his legs got worse and worse. So we brought him, and then we wheeled him out on stage, and he killed it. And then that next year he came with his own band. He came to the Half Note, and he killed it. And then unfortunately the year after he died, he passed away, but I was so happy to be able to do that for him and bring him over because he was such a tremendous influence on me.
Okay, ο Μάιλο μας είπε, τον ρώτησα για τη συνεργασία του από το κομμάτι που ακούμε από το live στο Λυκαβητό. Είναι ένα κομμάτι το οποίο έπαιξε με τον Mo Holmes, ένα πραγματικό θρύλο στο rhythm and blues, το κομμάτι Can't Get Next to You. Mo Holmes, ο οποίος συνεργάστηκε για πολλά χρόνια με τον Μάιλο Ζιτ και όπως μας είπε και ο Μάιλο, ήταν ένας πραγματικός μέντορας, κάτι παραπάνω από φίλος γι' αυτόν. Παίξανε μαζί το 2006, παρόλο που ο ίδιος είχε πια εκείνα τα χρόνια μια σημαντική αναπηρία και ήταν στο αναπηρικό του δυστυχώς καροτσάκι. Παρόλα αυτά καταφέραν και το φέραν στο Λυκαβητό και έπαιξε μαζί του. Επίσης κατάφερε ο ίδιος το 2007, μια χρονιά μετά, να έρθει και να παίξει με το δικό του group στο Half Note. Δυστυχώς όμως το 2008 μας άφησε. Από αυτή είναι πλέον σε κάποιο άλλο σύμπαν, δεν είναι πια μαζί μας. Όμως ο Μάιλο Ζετ πάντα τον θυμάται ιδιαίτερα ευχάριστα και έχει μόνο καλές στιγμές να θυμάται από αυτόν. Θεωρείται ότι είναι άνθρωπος που μουσικά και όχι μόνο τον έχει σημαδέψει την καριέρα του. Okay, Milo, you know, I would like to play a song from your last album, Playing Hooky, and I'm really sure that you know the Greek work from Playing Hooky. Would you like to explain to us?
Yes, playing.
Okay, what does it mean, playing hooky?
Oh man, I got jet lag, man. Playing hooky. I can't think of it right now.
So, let me help you a little bit. It means kopana.
Kopana,
okay.
Kopana,
Kopana.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's playing hooky, really groovy and really funky.
That's it.
Also, and we are going back in a few minutes, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay.
But now, you remember back in the days playing hooky, man? That was it. It was fun, right? Now, let me bring it back. You see what I'm talking about. Remember way back when you were 9 or 10 and decided to make a pact with you and your friend. Yeah. You had this master plan what you were gonna do. Gonna go to the movies, yeah, instead of go to school. Man, that was so much fun. Wasn't worried about nothing. Least of all them classes that you was cut. Get down. You come out the movie theater laughing, everything's fine. Until the truant officer snatches your behind. Cut you. Playing hooky. Still holding a bag of popcorn. It's the 21st of May and it's a beautiful day. So it's really gonna kill you to get back to that sleigh. Plus your boss been riding you and that's a natural fact. So you call up sick to work like you flat on your back. Yeah, so now your day is free. It's time to have some fun. Yes. Get a beer, go to the park, hang in the sun. All the ladies walking by, they got you on the make-up. Hey, baby. Until your boss comes walking by on his lunch break. Johnson, you're fired. Got you. Playing. You just sitting on the bench drinking a beer. Here we go. Hooky. Caught you playing hooky. Caught you playing hooky. Caught you playing hooky. Caught you playing hooky.
on your case, says she wants some time. So you try to calm her down, tell her everything's fine. Chill, baby. But she's not trying to hear how everything's cool. You gotta take that lady out, that's what you gotta do. So you tell her Friday night, we got romantic plans. Let's go see Milo. So you remember that that's the night that you hang with your friend. You make up some excuse how you're feeling ill. I got a feeling. Until she catch you sneaking out through the windowsill. Woo. She caught you, she caught you, she caught you. Playing hooky. With your dress shoes on, yeah. Bust it. Cause you're playing hooky. You ain't fooling nobody. Playing hooky. Yeah. Hit that break, baby. Hooky. Cause you're playing hooky, hooky. She caught you playing hooky, hooky. 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 She caught you playing hooky, hooky. Caught you playing hooky, hooky. She caught you playing hooky.
Active, the radio that moves around.
Active Radio.
Copana. Oh, Copana, Copana. I always remember you. Yeah. You're saying Copana. This is the real funk. This is the real Milo Z music.
That's the groove right there, man. Okay. That's the groove.
We really love it. Okay, we don't see the time to see you again live in Gazarte.
Yeah, everybody better come out, man. Tell a friend. You tell two friends, and they'll tell two friends, and so on and so forth and so on.
You know, all these days we spread your message in all over Greece, so don't worry.
Awesome.
We're gonna be
forward to
very
it.
strong this night.
I'm looking forward.
Okay, a few words. If you want, you can tell us you can tell us a few words about your musicians, your band.
For this time, I'm bringing back some of the old cats that you might have seen a couple of years ago.
Okay,
I got my man Mike, Professor Mike on saxophone. He was a big hit. Everybody liked him. He likes to walk on tops of chairs and things like that.
I always remember in Half Note on the bar on the chairs.
He would walk
playing the saxophone.
He would walk on the edge of these chairs. I swear these chairs were going to break, and he was going to bust his. You know what? I also got my man Adam on drums. You know, the good-looking one, ladies. You know. So you got something to look at this time. You know, besides just beautiful me.
And also Emilio, right next to you.
Oh yeah, he's okay too.
A really handsome guy.
He is a handsome guy. Yeah.
Okay.
So ladies, you know, you got some things to look at, and so it should be hot. And I got my man Dave on keyboards, and he's killing it. And we're going to do something interesting this time. You will see. We're doing some things with the keyboard and the saxophone together.
Okay.
It's going to be a little bit different than what you've seen in the past. The sound might be a little bit different. I think it's going to be pretty cool. So it's going to be a little different this time.
Okay. Ο Μάιλο μας είπε εν ολίγης, μας περιέγραψε λίγο πολύ του τι σκοπεύει να κάνει φέτος με τη δικιά του μπάντα και σκοπεύει ουσιαστικά να φέρει κάποιους από τους παίκτες που είχε στο παρελθόν για ένα πολύ ξεχωριστό show, και χαρακτηριστικά μας είπε ότι θα προσπαθήσει να συνδυάσει το σαξόφωνο με τα keyboard σε ένα έτσι πολύ ξεχωριστό παίξιμο και παιχνίδι που πάντα κάνει η μπάντα του, και χαρακτηριστικά μας ανέφερε τον περίφημο σαξοφωνίστα του, ο οποίος έχει την τάση πάντα ενώ παίζει σαξόφωνο να ανεβαίνει στις καρέκλες, να ανεβαίνει στα μπαρ και να παίζει με τον μοναδικό αξεπέραστο δικό του τρόπο. Okay, I would like, we have a few minutes, okay, I would like to play a short game, okay. I give you some words and you tell me your first thoughts, your first expressions about these words, okay.
Okay.
So I give you 5 words, so tell me what is basketball for you.
Oh, basketball. What do you want? Just one word?
No. You can explain whatever you want.
Basketball has been a passion of mine, actually. That I used to play every single day, after school. Not in a league or a team, just pick up games on the street, and that was a big passion of mine. Like the drums, I loved it. Unfortunately, the last couple of times it didn't go so well, and I always come out injured, so I kind of been cooling out on the basketball a little bit these days. Yeah,
we should play together. I was playing basketball for almost 25 years.
Oh yeah,
yes. But tonight is your night. We discuss for this.
We'll play a geriatrics game.
Yes, for sure.
Right.
And so we arrange a game between Milo Z and Ilias T.
That sounds good.
Hard game.
A hard game. Oh,
hard game.
Well, let's do that after the shows.
I'm going to jump in here real quick and say that this is kind of an interesting thing. For those of you who know basketball, I am originally from Chicago, and I know Milo here is a New Yorker through and through.
New York Knicks.
Exactly. You get New York Knicks here, and you have the Chicago Bulls here, and I'm a big Chicago Bulls fan. So
I see.
We are putting a 1990s rivalry to rest right now. We're putting everything aside for the music.
That's right.
I'm just gonna say so.
Okay.
The music prevails.
Okay, let's go to the second word. Okay, what is music for you finally?
Music is expression of your soul. It's expression of your soul. It's what you need to do. It's what you have to do. It's not what you want to do. You have no damn choice. You have to do it. You just have to do it.
I think that finally music is everything to you.
It's everything. Art is everything. To an artist, they don't want to paint, like to paint, they have to paint. They don't want to act, they need to act. You have to do it. Whether you're going to make money, whether you're going to be successful or not, you have to do it.
Okay, I see. Okay, a few words about another word, audience. Your connections with the audience.
Audience is that intangible. It's that beautiful thing. It's the thing that makes it all worthwhile. Is connecting with people. That's what gives you the best feeling of everything. It's not the recording. Recording is cool.
Yes.
Rehearsing is okay. Writing, you do feel good when you write. Yes. When you finish something, it feels really good. But there's nothing like that instant gratification, that instant appreciation, that instant love, and then when it's mutual, and then when it happens where it's not just I play, you applaud, but we're actually doing something together, and there's a moment like where the band is actually improvising, and now the audience is improvising, so they're part of the band.
And Milo, this is something that I really love to your music. It's really amazing how the audience became a part of all this show.
I think that's the best part of it, actually. I think that's the best part of it. It's just a celebration of life,
Okay.
Yeah.
A last word. Your daughter.
My daughter. The best song I ever wrote was my daughter, and it was a collaboration, of course.
Okay.
She actually means more to me than music. Just the one thing that means more to me than music, by a long shot. Her name is Sierra Louise.
Sierra.
Yes, Sierra, like the mountain.
We have to arrange a meeting between your daughter and my son, huh?
Oh man, that would be
My son
great.
is almost 3 years old, and your daughter has a...
She's 2 years and 4 months.
Okay, we are okay. We can arrange it, eh?
Yes. Well, I'll come here in the summer, and she is also at my rehearsals. She's also directing the band, telling them which way to dance and this and that. And she's also loves music. She's the next generation of Milo Z. She's Sierra Z. She's going to come here when probably when she's like 15 playing keyboards with me or something like that.
I am really excited about this.
She's going to keep it going.
I am too, man. She's going to.
Yeah, Amelia.
She's going to take my job before I know it.
Don't worry. You are a guitarist. You don't have to worry.
No.
She play keyboards, Emilio.
I'm just telling you, man. She plays the bass. Sometimes she's slapping rhythms on her thighs. She's into it, man. I would not be surprised if she takes everyone's job at some point.
Yeah, she's gonna play everything. She's gonna play everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
And most of all, she plays my heart. Yeah.
Okay. Give me 1 minute to translate a little bit. Okay. Ρωτήσαμε τον Μάιλο 4 συγκεκριμένες λέξεις και το τι εκφράζουν για αυτόν, τι νιώθει όταν τις ακούει. Τον ρωτήσαμε καταρχάς τι σημαίνει για αυτόν το μπάσκετμπολ. Μας είπε ότι είναι μια αγαπημένη του συνήθεια, παρόλο που πολλές φορές μπορεί να μην τα καταφέρνει. Προσπαθεί πάντα να παίζει, ειδικά από νεαρή ηλικία. Εδώ πέρα μας είπε και ο Εμίλιο ότι ο ένας σαπορτάρει τους Chicago Bulls, ο άλλος τους New York Knicks και πάντα έχουν έτσι μια δική τους εσωτερική κόντρα. Στη συνέχεια μας είπε για το τι σημαίνει για αυτόν η μουσική. Η μουσική για αυτόν σημαίνει τα πάντα. Σημαίνει έκφραση, σημαίνει η ψυχή του, σημαίνει το μυαλό του, σημαίνει όλη του η έκφραση και όλη του η στάση ζωής. Μας ανέπτυξε αμέσως μετά τη σχέση του με το κοινό και είπε ότι είναι συγκινητικό και τρομερό η σχέση που έχει αναπτύξει πάντα με το κοινό όπου και αν παίζει. Είναι ιδιαίτερα ωραίο να γράφει μουσική και να δημιουργεί στίχους και τραγούδια, αλλά είναι ακόμη πιο εντυπωσιακό να παίζει στη σκηνή και να έρχεται σε επαφή με το κοινό. Και για το τέλος βέβαια μας περιέγραψε τη μοναδική σχέση που έχει με την 2,5 σχεδόν ετών κόρη του, η οποία είναι για αυτόν τα πάντα. Είναι η μοναδική πηγή έμπνευσής του και όπως μας είπε χαρακτηριστικά έχει ξεκινήσει από τώρα να παίζει. Μάλιστα χαριτολογώντας ο Εμίλιο μας είπε ότι κινδυνεύει να χάσει τη δουλειά του από το μουσικό ταλέντο της κόρης του. Σχεραζή, όπως μας αποκάλεσε ο Μάιλο Ζή την κόρη του. Okay, finally Milo, I want you to send a message to all the audience, to all the Greek fans here in Athens, in Salonika, in Volos, and finally we can play a last song for this really special night.
Sounds good.
Okay.
I just want to say to the Greek people, thank you so much for all the years of love that you've shown me and the guys. You really make us feel like home every time we come here. We love your energy and your family. You're my extended family, and it's I gotta say it's like one of the best parts of my year is coming and performing for the Greek audiences, and because you deserve to get funky.
I see. Ο Μάιλο λοιπόν είπε, στέλνοντας ένα μήνυμα, ότι εν ολίγης αυτό που θέλει να πει είναι ένα μεγάλο ευχαριστώ σε όλο τον κόσμο που όλα αυτά τα χρόνια τον έχει στηρίξει πάρα πολύ και του δείχνει την αγάπη του κάθε φορά που έρχεται εδώ πέρα. Είναι σίγουρο ότι και αυτό το πάρτι του Μάιλο Ζή θα είναι ξεχωριστό. Μάιλο, I want to really thank you for being here tonight, for us, for me personally, and for all Active Radio and for all Greek fans. It's a really special night. It's a really funky night. We're waiting your performance here in Athens. I wish you all the best in Salonika and Volos, your 2 live performances. I'm sure that you're gonna have a really funky good time. I'm really sure for this.
It's gonna be great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ilias. Thank you so much. Radioactive, man, it's my pleasure. Anytime I'm here, I'll come visit you.
It will be our pleasure, and
I'm gonna send you that version of "Come On Baby" with the Greek lyrics.
Yes.
Ella Moromo.
I want it, and
yes.
Once again I want to thank you for giving us the exclusivity of your brand new song.
You got it.
Thank you very much, and we're gonna play it every day in our station. Okay.
All right. Cool.
So finally, I would like also to thank Thomas and Irini.
Yes.
You're 2 very good friends.
Yes.
Dimitris Midelta and all the people here in Active Radio. Dimitris Ventouris.
I want to send a big shout out to my man Alex too in Athens.
Okay.
Alex Tassos, that's my brother too. I guess that's it. I'll see you guys soon. Let's get this party started.
Okay, let's get the party started. Νομίζω το μήνυμα του Μάιλο είναι ξεκάθαρο. Έχει έρθει με άγριες διαθέσεις για άλλο ένα πολύ δυνατό πάρτι τις 4 αυτές τις ημέρες. Να θυμίσουμε ότι ο Μάιλο παίζει αύριο στη Θεσσαλονίκη, στο Club Yeah, την Παρασκευή στο Βόλο, στο Club Vox και Σάββατο και Κυριακή στο Γκαζάρτε. Μην το χάσετε, είναι μοναδικό το event και σίγουρα θα είμαστε όλοι εκεί. Μάιλο, I'll see you again this Saturday in your live in Γκαζάρτε.
All right, my brother.
I will be the first one that.
Hey, listen. Also, you can, go to my website too sometimes if you want to, want to check out what's going on with me, www.miloz.com, or friend me on Facebook. I'll friend you back, and we'll see where it's at.
Okay. So, guys, thank you very much. We are really having good time here with you. It's a very special event for us here in Active Radio, and I wish you all the best. Okay.
Thank you.
Peace and love, and
thanks for having us. Yeah.
Let's play a final song, "Funky People," as we are really funky people. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. See you on Saturday.
Reality's far away. Some people gotta cross the bay. You find happiness anywhere. Some people wanna make a name. They do anything, they got no shame. Some people spread the love around. Say that a reason we should put them down now. Look at those funky people. All those funky people. Look at those funky people. Oh well, the funky people. Some people, all they do is blame, but do nothing, try to make a change. Some people just criticize, but walk around so much pain inside. Some people, all they do is fight, think they ain't gonna make it right. Some people party all night long, and they quit till the break of dawn. Now, those funky people. All those funky people. All those funky people. Look at those funky people. Look at those funky people. Oh, well, the funky people. Living in a world of funky people. Some may sacrifice, some seek paradise, some may just go old and questioning what they told. Some just play a game, some risk everything, some make it out, names are like that in the name of freedom. In the name of freedom. Funky people. Some people just give for self. You give a damn about no one else. Some people got a heart that's kind, doing for others get some peace of mind. Some people just fall apart, can't make it cause it's just too hard. Some people gonna hold their ground, no matter how much they get knocked down. Look at those funky people. Look at those funky people. All those funky people. All those funky people. Look at those funky people. Look at them funky people. Oh well, the funky people. Living in a world. Funky people. Funky people. Funky, funky people. All those funky people. All those funky people. Look at those funky people. Wanna make love, so wanna make war. Oh well, the funky people. Living in a world of funky people.
Exclusive track only on active-radio.gr.
Παγκόσμια μετάδοση μόνο στον active-radio.gr.
Fresh on the same, but soon enough you will be running things. You got a stable of some of the baddest guys. might flex a muscle, make sure they keep in line. Your stock's been growing, yeah, you've been moving up. Here comes baby brother, he wants to try his luck. You try to school him, say this game's too tough, but it doesn't listen and someone calls his bluff. It's a killer. When you find out what you thought was real was filler. Now you stand around, you're tumbling down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you.
Παγκόσμια μετάδοση μόνο στον ActivePavlaRadio.gr.
Can't believe you got to see you holler, but no one seems to care to give a bother. So why bother? It's a killer. Another gangster rapper just got his record deal. He spits it hard cause he's a thug for real. The record company just upped the cash advance. Time for popping corks and watching strippers dance.
ActivePavlaRadio.gr.
Exclusive track only on active-radio.gr.
Now it's your big debut. Prediction is it's going through the roof. Your manager assures you all is well, but they don't promote it so the shit don't sell. It's a killer. When you find out what you thought was real was filler. Now you stand around, you're tumbling down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you. But it goes further. It's when it finally hits you, it's a murder. Can't believe you got to see you holler, but no one seems to care to give a bother. So why bother? It's a wrong again. No one told you. Lose it 10. Joke was on you. And all that time when you thought you winning, you were so blind. Now your world is
ActivePavlaRadio.gr.
ActivePavlaRadio.gr. Παγκόσμια μετάδοση μόνο στον ActivePavlaRadio.gr.
on the weekends, that's the rule you say. But soon enough, it's every other day. You kid yourself that you still in control, but it's obvious the writing's on the wall. It's a killer. When you find out what you thought was real was filler. Now you stand around, you're tumbling down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you. But it goes further. It's when it finally hits you, it's a murder. You can't believe you got to see you holler, but no one seems to care to give a bother. So why bother?
Exclusive track only on active-radio.gr.
Now you stand around, you're tumbling down the hill. But it's obvious nobody trying to hear you or feel you. It goes further. It's when it finally hits you, it's a murder. It's a murder.
Active, the radio that moves around.